She's a Rasta. She's a Rastafarian man. Royal gang, is that you? Is that you, Royal? Gang. Y'all, I'm here bringing you guys an Easter Sunday slay. I'm gonna bien habillé. I know y'all gonna be dressed really well. Mais faut figure bien maquillé too. The makeup has to be on point. So I'm gonna show you guys how to get this look. It's a very simple look. Y'all, if y'all don't have these products, please make sure you use what you got. You do not have to use what I have to achieve this look, okay? Okay. If you're not part of the Royal Gang, I need you to stop. Click that red button. Just click it. Yeah, that red button right there. Yeah, click that. Click it. I need you to click the bell. Let's all do it with me. Click that bell so that you are notified every single time I upload a video. Oh, and by the way, make sure you like the video. Okay? Don't be stingy. Don't be stingy. Give me a like. Give me a like. Give me a like. It's gonna bother me. Are y'all ready? In that case, let's get down to business. Growing up Haitian, Easter Sunday is a big deal. You gotta slay for the Lord. My brows are already done, so we're just gonna get right into the eyes. Well, let's prep the skin a little bit first. Let's prep the skin. I'm gonna take the Mario Badescu Rose Water. I'm just gonna spray this all over my face to moisturize my skin. We are going to church, so the eyes don't have to be too crazy dramatic, you know. So I'm going to keep the eyes very simple today. Using the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer, this is what I'm going to use to apply as a base on my lids. And then I'm going to set this with the Laura Mercier Translucent Powder. All of the colors I'm going to be using are going to come from the Modern Renaissance palette. Anastasia Beverly Hills, of course. Raw Sienna is going to be the first color I'm going to use with a big blending brush from Morphe, and I'm just going to dust this all over the eyes and as my transition color. Taking the Morphe M576 brush, I'm going to go into Cypress Umber, and this is going to be my crease color. I don't want to apply this too heavy because this color could get mad dark mad quick. So it's going to be a soft look. We don't want it to be too foncé. For the lid color, I'm going to keep it matte. I'm still going to keep it really Easter with the pale pink. So I'm going to go in with Bouillon Fresco Bouillon. Bouillon, no? This is the color we're going to apply all over the lid. I like adding mattes to my lids. Like, I love a cool tone matte look. Now I'm just going to go back in the same brush that I applied the brown with. I'm just going to blend out the edges because when I focus on it, and knowing me, like Easter Sunday morning, my mom's going to be like, so my eye look got to be like mad quick and simple. The look that I'm doing with y'all is the same look I'm literally doing Easter Sunday. Because I know it got to be mad quick so I don't hear this lady rapping in my ears. Okay? Okay. I'm just going to go back in with the initial blending brush to just blend everything together. And then the eyes are pretty much done. All we got to do is line them, add some lashes, and then we're going to move on to the face. The NYX Matte Liquid Liner is what I'm going to use to line my eyes. And I'm just going to throw on some very simple lashes. When it comes to church, I don't like to do like the big dramatic lashes because there's a time and place for everything. Like, let's be realistic. Smashbox Photo Finish to prime the face, the faithful. So here we have the Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage Foundation, and I got the color Warm Coconut, which is 356. I'm originally 355 coconut in the Maybelline Fit Me matte and poreless, but I decided to get the warm coconut because it's a little bit more yellow. The coconut one was more on the red side, and I'm not red. It's not really gonna be a first impression. I tried it once before, which you guys will see that video. That video is actually coming up next. What I am going to try for the first time is the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer in the color Caramel. We're going to shoot its shot. We're going to shoot its shot. Even though I got the yellow undertone, I feel like this one's still a little red. But I automatically know that my concealer is gonna like even that out. It does have a good amount of coverage on it, especially for a drugstore foundation. Like, you barely find full coverage foundations in the drugstore. I'm gonna even out my face with the Age Rewind Concealer in Caramel. This little sponge applicator is very new to me. I've never used a concealer with this, but let's see how it works. Ooh, this is light. It looks like Warm Honey. Like, the color reminds me of Warm Honey by LA Girl. It got some coverage. This got some coverage to it. It's not like sheer. I thought it was gonna be sheer. I really thought it was going to be thin like the other Maybelline concealer. I dead thought it was going to be thin, but it's not. I'm actually very surprised. No, I'm surprised. Parce que I didn't think it was gonna come out like this. Like, it's actually like a full coverage concealer. Like, the concealer has consistency, which I was shocked about. So now I'm just gonna set it with the Mercier translucent powder. Je dimanche pas que non seulement l'église là plein, service là long. You gotta make sure the makeup lasts throughout the whole service. Realistically, I don't have time to cream contour right before I go to church, so I just usually just do a powder contour. I'm gonna use the Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit, and then I'm gonna go into the color Espresso to contour my face. And then I'm just going to chisel up the contour by adding the translucent powder under the contour just to sharpen it up a little bit, since I don't have time, again, to cream contour. Okay, now we definitely got to add some color right back into the face. My all over face powder is going to be the Makeup Forever matte powder foundation in the color 218. Let's finish the eyes and then finish up with the face. For the eyes, the only thing I'm going to do is add the dark brown, the Cypress Umber, to smoke out the bottom lash line. I'm not going to smoke it out too much. Remember, we're going to church. Milani Coal Kajal to line my waterline. Since I have the soft pink on my eyes, it only makes sense to have a soft pink on my cheeks. So I'm using the Sweet Sweet Fantasy Blush by MAC, and this is from the Mariah Carey collection. Sometimes my highlight be OD. That's how God made me. Everything else might be real simple right now, but y'all already know my highlight still has to be extra popping. For my base highlight, I'm going to use Shaft of Gold by MAC. This was from the Magic of the Night collection. So this is like a soft, subtle gold highlight. This is just going to set my face, the Mario Badescu Rosewater. Now to add a little extra shimmer, and since my eyes are pink, my cheeks are kind of pink, I'm going to add a little bit of a pinky rose gold highlight on top of what I have now. And I'm going to be using the Urban Decay Aura Illuminating Powder. Here's the Urban Decay Illuminated Naked Aura Powder. And I got a little glitter. I got a little... Faut passer à ouais, c'est moins qui entre dans l'église là. Même si la poche, you know? Yes, much better, much better, much better, much better, much better. I'm going to show y'all how I'm going to do an ombre lip with two of the Ultra Matte Lippies from Colourpop. This one is in the color Limbo. I'm going to use the darker brown to basically outline my lip. And then I'm going to take this lighter color, which is called, what is this, Beeper? Chi. This is Chi from the Carucci collection, and this is what I'm going to use on the inner part of my lip to like give it that ombre, you know. Since the eyes are simple, you know, we could do it a little up with the lips. I'm just going to apply some of the highlight in my inner tear duct, which is the Aura from Urban Decay. I like going to church on Easter Sunday, especially like going to the church where I was raised at, like going to church with my mom and growing up in the Haitian church is life. So there y'all have it, Millie. Here's y'all Easter Sunday sleigh brought to you by yours truly. This is the type of look that you could wear to work, church, something subtle like a funeral or anything of that nature, something that you don't want to be a little too extra. And if you already stuck it out through this whole video and you have not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Hold up, let me make it easy for you, boo. You see this top circle? Yeah, just click that and then you'll subscribe to my channel. And then you see this next video right here? Yeah, this video is here just for you to watch next. I will see you next time, Royal Gang, 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 gang.